Ngayon, we're still adjusting. Pero masaya. The process is actually, I would say na sobrang, with the help and guidance of our Lord, sobrang masaya. Sobrang masaya yung process. And ang dami kong natututunan for the past 7 months pa lang. So, parang ang saya. Okay, first of all, mahalaga sa married couples ang faith nyo kay Lord. Kasi lahat ng trials, lahat ng mga trials and problems, hindi nyo ma-overcome kapag wala si Lord. Tendency, mag-aaway palagi. So, mahalaga na kayo, solid yung foundation nyo kay Lord. And at the same time, meron din kayo mga friends sa married couples na nandun din sa same community, the same faith with you guys. And then, mahalaga din ang investments. Siyempre, invest your time wisely, especially ang time. Invest your time invest your money properly. Huwag na mag-rent as much as possible, home loan or housing loan, diba? And then, business. Sabi sa akin ng stepdad ni Jenica from Japan, sabi niya, mahalaga na may business kayo. Whatever happens sa career nyo, hindi man mag-work, at least nakapag-save kayo para sa isang maliit na business. And then, who knows, it will grow, diba? So, yun pa lang.